Hello guys, welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Matilda.
My name's Ben.
And today we're unboxing a popcorn machine from Christmas.
Okay, so as Matilda says, we're unboxing this, our Christmas present, one of the Christmas presents, wasn't it, Tilda? Popcorn maker. We want it for when we have movie nights, so we can make our own popcorn at home.
I'm having a movie night tonight.
Our everyone tonight, so we can try it out tonight, can't we? It's perfect. So what we're going to do, Matilda's going to open this box, get the stuff out, and we're going to have a look at it now. So go for it, Tilda. Go. What are you saying?
And we're hoping we have some boxes to put all the popcorn in.
Oh yeah, some of the popcorn boxes.
Yeah.
Yeah. If not, maybe we can make one on the cry cup. Right, so go for it, Matilda. You open it up. Okay, so I'll let you pop that over to me. I'll get the stuff out of the plastic.
Right, it doesn't come with tubs.
Don't come with tubs.
That's what it comes with.
Instruction book. Okay, so Matilda's got the instruction book and it's pulling the tablecloth off at the same time. So inside the box, we get this, the Heat and Eat popcorn maker. Quite small. Quite small, but we don't need to make many, do we? To be fair. Comes with this little measuring jug, I think for the kernels. Yeah.
We can pop them in a bowl anywhere.
Pop them in a bowl, we could, yeah. Yeah. And then this, I think, probably goes on top somewhere like this. And then you pop your, hold on, maybe like that actually. Yeah, like that, look.
Yeah.
That on top, tip them in, and then it makes it. So me and Matilda will have a look for instructions.
Yeah.
And we'll come back.
They're not instructions.
They're not instructions. We'll have a look in the box and stuff, and we'll come back and see what's going on. Okay, so me and Matilda, we've had a read through instructions. It does come with some instructions, just telling you what to do. You've got to clean it out, which we've done. It says about putting this plastic on top of there, push it down, and then this is a little measuring jug that you put your kernels in. So when you put your kernels in, you then tip them in and leave that on top so any popcorn doesn't fly out. Matilda's got the kernels there. We just got these, what are they, Tilda? Popping corn, mac corns, just off Amazon. Look really good reviews, so we thought we'd go with them ones, didn't we, Tilda? So yeah, all set up, ready to go, read the instructions, so that's cool.
This is just our first test pack.
First test batch, yeah.
Batch.
So we're going to do a test now out with Tilda, because we're moving out tonight, so we know what we're doing then. It does say in the instructions not to put any butter or fat in this, just to use those kernels. So we'll use those kernels as they are, and we'll see see how they come out. So we'll bring the camera closer up so you can see what's going on inside the popcorn maker. Okay, all done. That was super fun, wasn't it, Tilda, seeing all that pop everywhere? Yeah.
The kernels were flying.
They were, weren't they? Yeah. Obviously, they're in time lapse when we showed you on the video, but it took about a minute, didn't it, Tilda, for it to start going? It said up to 2 minutes in the instructions, but about a minute, and it got them all done. There were a few kernels that popped out that are unpopped, but not many, was there, Tilda? No?
There's one down.
One down there? Yeah.
Oh, they're hot.
Oh, they're hot. Oh. So yeah, a couple of kernels didn't pop, that's not a problem. So overall, really good, really impressed, really easy to set up, really easy to use. Obviously, you don't get the kernels in there with it, and you don't get any tubs that are on the box in it, but that's not a problem. You just use your own plastic bowl or metal bowl or whatever you want, and it catches them all anyway. So brilliant.
You need to use a big bowl because you might fly everywhere.
They might, yeah. Catch them. Yeah. Okay, so the popcorn tastes good, just plain on it, so it tastes nice, alright? Yeah? Bit sticky, yeah. But it's nice. What we'll probably do, I think we'll look at some, I don't know if you can put stuff on after them, onto the popcorn, or whether you've got to put it on the kernels first before you make it, like butter or sugar.
I said no butter.
It does, yeah. So if you have to put it on before, we can't do that. So maybe we'll try and find a recipe where you can put something on these after, and you can mix it in. So we'll try and find something, yeah?
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.